What's up, everybody? Mark Fleetwood here. Welcome back to the Daily Grind Trader. Today, I'm be talking about Ravencoin again, hitting my weekly review of the price analysis for Ravencoin. Got a lot of exciting news. Been a lot of movement in the market, so stay tuned. I'm going to tell you all about it. Alright guys, before I get started, let's remember, please remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet that likes to do technical analysis and share it publicly. That does not qualify me for anything, especially with managing your money. With that being said, if you'd like seeing my calls and seeing other crypto analysis, please check out my Twitter feed at the Daily Grind Trader. And if you'd like to join on Facebook, the Ultimate Crypto Discussion Group, great group of guys, 139 members, all kinds of different crypto analysis and market structures, market analysis, different things going on with different crypto projects. So a lot of information there, a lot of great people. Just want to give you guys a heads up on that. All right, we're going to hop right into Ravencoin, and I'm going to start on the weekly chart. Now this weekly chart here, this is a beautiful thing. As you can see, the SARs, the weekly SAR, first dot underneath the price action. This means we've broken out of pressure from the top pushing down. We now have buying pressure pushing up. This is looking good for the long-term outlook. This is a long-term outlook chart. So we're looking at, the potential for 2, 3, 4 months down the road. It may not take that long, but this is a much longer outlook chart. So we're looking at pushing the all-time high again and potentially pushing past it. So we're trying to crack this 28-cent line here, the old all-time high. So that's something to definitely look forward to in the near future, but definitely not a short-term move. We're looking at potentially 4, 5, 6 weeks, maybe even longer. So we get into the regular price action, the price action on the daily chart. We've had lots of upward momentum, and we're coming close to hitting the lower SAR, which would flip it to the top and put selling pressure down for the daily. It may not make sense. We just flipped under on the weekly. Now we're about to flip over on the daily. How does that make sense? For the daily, we've been overbought for multiple days consecutively. The RSI is extremely high. It needs to cool off. The price action has to cool off so that there's more room to grow. It doesn't mean that the price is going to go down. I think we are going to sit into a flag pattern, and we're going to consolidate sideways for a little bit. We're going to consolidate sideways and stick around. I think we've established a bottom and top price for this consolidation, at which point you can pretty much, if you're looking to buy Ravencoin, you can pretty much set buy pressure or buy orders anywhere along the bottom of this flag, and you're going to be able to get your order filled. Looking at 14.5 cents down to about 14.25. The longer the consolidation goes on, the tighter that range is going to get. The highs are going to come down, the lows are going to come up. Eventually we're going to run out of consolidation room and the price is going to break. Now, in a bullish run, in a bullish market, price action entered from the bottom. It's like 75 to 80% chances that the price is going to break in the upward direction, pushing past the high that was reached 4 days ago. And then we'd be looking to breach that 20-cent mark, possibly up into like 21, 22 cent range. And again, I'm going to go and break this down a little bit farther, going to the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour window. You can see the up and down action in the consolidation getting tighter and tighter as the window progresses. The 4-hour gives you a little bit more candlesticks. It gives you a better understanding of how the range is consolidating on itself. So it's just going to tighten up more and more as the price action continues to move forward. And as it does this, the RSI will come down, the MACD will come down and cool off a little bit. All the indicators that were showing us as being way over purchased and really kind of at the top of what was the top of the price action, we can come down off of those indicators without really losing much on price value. So it's definitely a good thing. It's a good thing that and went into consolidation and not into a straight dump. So it's actually a really good sign for Ravencoin to be consolidating right now and ready to blast off again within a couple of days. I think we probably have another 2 to 3 days of consolidation, but with how strong the market has been recently, this could be a couple hours and then blast through here. It's really hard to tell. The market's been so strong that my timing has been a little bit conservative for how fast the market's been moving. So I would think that we would get to at least to the 16th, the evening of the 16th, maybe the early morning of the 17th before we break out. That would put us about 3 days. But that would be my guess, and that would be kind of conservative on the time frame, that it doesn't just blast off much quicker than that. But yeah, guys, this video is going to be kind of short and sweet and to the point. Ravencoin has been making lots of moves recently. It's been blasted off, and you go into the daily, see this big parabolic rise that happened. Everyone knows that it has to cool off. It has to come back down. This RSI is going to continue to come back down below 70, and we're going to have some consolidation period. But I think we've probably got, like I said, about 3 days of consolidation before we make another upward move. And the long-term outlook is looking really good on the weekly chart, because the long-term, we're looking like we're just starting to really pick up our strength on the long-term. So, guys, if you like the video, hit the like button, comment on the video. All the different interactions with the video really helps out the channel, helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So more comments, more likes, or dislikes. Even if you don't like the video, share it. Let me know why. Comment. Let me know what you think. And subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you know whenever I put out a new video. And as always, guys, until the next time, peace.